Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. So I have a very small unboxing that I wanted to share with you today. I actually had a site credit for TheRealReal for a purchase I made back towards the end of February, before everything started going crazy in the world. So when that site credit became available, you only have a month to spend it. So I decided to put it towards a few items, some Tiffany items, from TheRealReal, and so I thought I would share those with you today. So that sounds interesting, stay tuned and we'll get started. So if you've never ordered from TheRealReal, I just thought I would share how the package comes. So it comes in a standard brown box and they give you their RealReal dust bag. It also comes with some paperwork, the receipt, some authenticity documents, but yeah, so they do a really nice job of packaging things, at least in my experience. I've only purchased a few items from TheRealReal, and because I'm so familiar with Tiffany, I feel pretty comfortable, you know, judging authenticity based on the photos. And TheRealReal does authenticate, but I do think it's smart to be familiar with the items that you're looking for, because you never really know. Sometimes things slip through the cracks and yeah, you just want to be careful. So anyway, okay, so the first item here is in this RealReal dust bag. Okay, and so this one came in its original box and packaging, which is great. On the RealReal website, it will tell you if it comes in the box or not. And it did also come with the care cards and all the Tiffany tissue paper, so I thought this was a great buy. And here it is. Oh, it's so beautiful. So this is a genuine crocodile leather card case, and this is in the Tiffany blue color. I actually owned this exact card case, but in a chartreuse green color years ago when I did work for Tiffany. I had since let that go because I kind of just got over that bright green color. So when I saw this beautiful Tiffany blue version come up on the RealReal and I had that site credit waiting, I just knew I had to grab it. It is just absolutely stunning and it's in wonderful condition as well. I open it up here. So the interior has a Tiffany blue leather lining. So you can see here it says Tiffany Company made in South Africa. And the other side says genuine crocodile. Yeah, so absolutely stunning. And there are card slots on either side with a canvas Tiffany blue fabric. Yeah, so it is just this really beautiful, kind of glossy crocodile leather card case. And I just thought it was just absolutely stunning. And then here, just for sort of a size comparison, here it is up against my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So you can see it will fit just beautifully inside here. And I really love how the Tiffany blue looks up against the classic monogram print. I just think the contrast of that is so beautiful. So I will definitely be using this with my Louis Vuitton bags and sort of switching this out between my LV card holder. I just think it's just a beautiful, beautiful pop of that Tiffany blue. I'm so happy I found this. And the next item here I'm even more excited about. So this one didn't come in a box, but it did come in its original little Tiffany snap pouch here. Oh, it's so, so beautiful. So this is a freshwater pearl and sterling silver bracelet. It has the classic Return to Tiffany silver heart tag with these absolutely stunning freshwater pearls. And the thing about Tiffany pearls that I love is just their luster. They're always so beautiful and so well matched between the bracelets. Because they are a natural pearl, you will see variations from bracelet to bracelet. However, they do an incredible job of matching the size and color within each bracelet. So, you know, you'll see some of these bracelets that have more of a pink undertone, some that are more of a brighter white, and that is just because they're a natural pearl. So here is the one that I just received. Oh, it is so beautiful. And this is a bracelet that I have sold many times when I did work at the store, and I always admired it, but pearls are one of those pieces that require a little bit more care. And I'm actually glad I never picked this up when I was younger, because I do think I may not have treated it as well as I will now that I'm a little bit older. So as you can see, it just has a traditional lobster clasp closure with the stunning classic heart tag charm. And this one is in the 8-inch length. I typically wear a 7.5-inch bracelet, but I can still wear an 8-inch. It's not super large on me, luckily. And you can always have pearls added or removed at the Tiffany store whenever those stores open back up. So yeah, I will show a try-on shot of how this looks on me, but I just think it is so stunning. And it was up for a really, really great price on top of, you know, that $100 site credit that I used towards both of these items. Something that I always mentioned to customers when I sold this bracelet years ago is that this is not a bracelet you want to wear every day. You know, these are natural pearls, and pearls in general are a little more fragile. You know, you want to be careful not to wear this in water, definitely not in the shower or in a pool or the ocean. Absolutely take these off before going into water. You also want to be careful when spraying perfume. You definitely don't want to spray perfume directly onto the pearls, or even hairspray. Any sort of chemical can damage the pearl and kind of ruin that beautiful luster that they naturally have. So yes, it is something you need to be a little more careful about. And I will probably only wear this really on special occasions, but it's so beautiful. I'm really happy to add it to my collection. All right, so those are the two items that I purchased with my site credit on TheRealReal. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And if you are a fellow Tiffany lover, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.